Well, hey guys. So what you've been watching, if you didn't read the thumbnail, is the Redcat custom hauler with trailer, with light kits. Now, you didn't expect that I was going to buy anything to just run around with cars on it, did you? Silly rabbit. And if you got that reference, you're as old as I am. So what we've done, we've lifted it. We've locked the rear axle. This vehicle now goes, as you saw, in places that it just wouldn't do before. As you can see, that was just hung up, wheel in the air. But it still goes. This is perfect now for my course. What I wanted it to do, I want it to drive on this dirt road. Don't want it to just drive around on pavement. People have complained, oh, it's slow for a hauler. How is it slow for a hauler? As I just drove around the course here, that is a slow drive. If you want to drive around on pavement, that's great. I guess it might be slow, but it has torque. It has looks. And I showed you in some of the drive, I showed you the light kit, full brakes, reverse lights. Excellent Redcat. Keep it up. Keep doing fun stuff like this that we can modify to our liking. And the price point is excellent. Well, I'm going to get back to driving without you. I'm sorry. But I will see you again and talk to you later.